How to use Wix to make a portfolio website. Hello guys, Celia here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily use Wix to create our own portfolio website just in a few minutes. Nothing hard, so let's get started. Here we are on wix.com. Just simply click on get started. If you're new to this platform, you'll have to create an account. You can easily do it with your Gmail, and after that you'll come to this page where we just simply need to click on create a new site in the right top corner on this blue button, and we'll come to the next page where we need to describe what kind of a website would we like to create. Basically we can skip this step, but to make it easier we can choose a portfolio right up here. So there are a lot of different types: journalist portfolio, PR, film student, writing, digital media. So we can try to find something suitable as for us. Let's say if we want to create portfolio for NFT artist or maybe developer. Let it be developer portfolio, why not? Next, and after that we'll come to the next page where we can easily find all the stuff for our website. We'll come to our dashboard. Basically from this page we can manage all the necessary stuff. It may take a little time until everything will be set up, and we'll come to this page where we have a small checklist, but we can easily close it to start creating our site. So firstly, before managing our SEO, seeing our analytics, I recommend you to choose a template, to use the necessary template and to customize it. So from this page here, from home, we just simply need to click on design site on this button right up here, and we'll come to the next page where they ask how would you like to design your site. Let me create a site for you. Use our site builder to go live quickly, or customize a designed template. I recommend you to click on pick a template and then just simply find the necessary one. It will be much easier as for us to create a portfolio like this. So here we can find a lot of different templates, like 4 pages. In my case, I'm going to use this one here, so we can click on view to see how will it look like. It's like this website is totally responsive for different devices, for a phone, for a laptop, and for PC. So yeah, it's pretty cool that Wix provides us the opportunity to find all these abilities right here. Let's click on edit this site, and after that in a few seconds this template will be copied to our dashboard, and it means that now this website is a part of our website. So now we just simply need to customize every single stuff here, and I will show you how to do it just in a few minutes, so keep watching. It may take a little time, depends on their server's capacity and maybe our internet connection, but it may take like 10 seconds, maybe a little bit more, and we'll come to this page. And I always recommend you to see the structure. So firstly, click on pages and menu in the left side menu. As you can see, it's like necessary to add something to our website, Wix bookings, for maybe I don't know, some features on portfolio. It also may take a little time. So before changing design itself, I recommend you to see the structure. So sometimes some pages are not that important and we can delete them if it's necessary as for us. So we need to open pages and menu in the left side menu right up here. So yeah, let's wait. And here we need to click on pages and menu to see the structure. We can find experience, education, client, skills, expertise, contact, and book online. So for example, I don't need this book online stuff, so I need to delete it. And how can we do this? We need to click, and as you can see, we can hide this stuff, so I don't want it to see. So now we have a contact area on this page, expertise, skills, clients, education, and experience. It's not pages, it's like anchors. If we'll click on them in the top of the screen right up here, we'll just simply automatically scroll up or scroll down to the necessary part. After managing structure, we need to click on site design to see how can we change it. I would like to change a color theme. Let's click on change, and we need to find the most suitable as for us. In my case, I think I would like to use this color palette, and also I would like to change a font pack. So click on text theme, and here change every single part. So after that, we need to manage our content, and every single website on Wix created from different sections. As you can see, we have this section here, this section here, here, and basically sometimes it's like important to know how to delete. So I would like to delete, for example, my educational section. Let's click on more and delete here. And as you can see, it was automatically deleted. Let's also delete our skills page, and let's add maybe some information about our team. For example, if we have a team inside of our portfolio, we can add it like this. So as you can see, we have a main page, and here we have a team. And after that, we just simply need to manage all the content inside. As you can see, every single section has some elements inside, like this text, this like heading, and in order to change it, we just simply need to click, and we'll be able to change something what's inside of our section. In order to interact with this stuff, for example, we can click on manage items, and then just simply find all of them already here. And all the steps are quite simple, but sometimes it's like it could be a little bit hard to understand how does it work for the first time, but after you'll have a little practice, it will be much easier, because honestly, website builder like Wix is pretty easy to use, and it's like intuitive, and you can easily do it by yourself. And when everything is done, we can now publish our website. So change all the content, and then we need to click on publish in the right top, and it will be automatically published to the internet. So we can easily share this link with our employees and so on, and they'll be able to visit this page. So I will show you how does it work. So yeah, we can click on view site, and this link is active now. We can share it, and as you can see, it looks like this. Yeah, pretty cool, pretty easy, and it took like 8 minutes to set up our website, even with my conversation with you, with my speech. So in order to see some more in-depth tutorials, for example, I recommend you to watch videos inside of this playlist. You can see the link right up now. And also there are a lot of different videos on my channel. I recommend you to watch some of them you're interested in. And if this video helped you out, you can easily support my channel by subscribing, like this video, and writing your comment. So yeah, if this video made your life a little bit easier, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a very good day, and goodbye guys.